Kuliah pun pibro te ka notice jong ka tarik ban te exam kalami jong ki post police tehne ka i ne notice sa download na po website jong ka Mekhlia Police ru kane kami minta kasni ka tarik February RJFR. This for general information that the Central Recruitment Board of Mekhlia Police will conduct examination for the following posts mentioned here under. ABUB in both Eastern Range and Western Range Mudba Shangaro Hill Ban Shillong 26 February 2022 and 27 February 2022. So we expect this Mudba the date for the exam will be on 26 February and 27 February. Schedule of the writing examination. Kan mau ban check di tarik di kaban de exam ar kun riu benim ar ada juga AB dan constable she's pasan pomak kan sedang kendai beji halu ispo beji 9 am to 10 am kan mau ba mo gitu tarik we gede juga UB constable ru kada ar kun riu tarik hakan juga sini 300 marks 2 pm to 4 pm mudba kebayu akan juga sini kan mau ba ibadan ar teli gini gap akan juga sini ar kun riu bat AB bat UB akan juga sini tambah kapor get her kendai beji bat ar beji jemin and UBSI pada kare ar penyu tarik kaner de lais pamak kasenang kendai beji step handuk ar beji bat jongka MPRU ru ar penyu tarik kaner de kasenang ar beji kan kut saw beji terakan mau jongka AB kare tang shikanta mau na page by gay mo written examination treat test for the post of driver constable PC fireman FM and driverman and floor will intimate dukus time kamut ba exam jong treat test ba kini treat test jong driver constable fireman driver fireman but follower insa pentip hadin kamut ba exam ta kan datang jong AB constable UB constable UBSI but MPRO kan mau baik tamo kini kuwe beda insa pentip sedin. The conduct of the written examination and the syllabus of the ABUB group shall be as clause 13 okay which is available la ban download na po website mekhliapolice.com.in. Eligible candidate may download their admit card with effect 17 February nadu khat new tarik February la ban download admit card jong pi jong ki post ba pp la qualify. The candidate are advised to download admit card using the unique reference number which they have obtained while applying for various posts. Kamut ba pidi ban down itu reference number jong ka tu kabal adab no tigi post babi bidim don nomor makin download matka date of birth sika. The list of the candidate who will appear in the written examination center wise date wise and shift will be uploaded in Mekhlia website. Kin so upload pada list jong candidate tiba yo la kajong ka center tarik shift kin so upload po ka website minta empat upload marba lap tha antai na dukhan yo tarik pila ban download temta kanang dek tarik. Candidate should bring any one of the ID Epic, Aadhaar, driving license, PAN card. Hakaport for exam mo gini. Lakajong clipboard, own clipboard, blue or black ball pen, barong siang na bayong, kolom, along with admit card for the written examination. But admit card akan mo. The candidate are also advised to read the given instruction in the admit card. Akan mo one puli shuabhin for exam kanang musnam bakala before appearing for the said written examination. In view of the situation posed with the COVID-19 pandemic, appearing for written examination should produce final vaccination certificate or COVID negative. Kan ko bay, kan mau ba? Wat nom thlia, te kan mau ban bu jing kan mau ba pihak ban don ka final smut ka second dose vaccination certificate la ne pihak ban le ek RT-PCR. Wat nom ayu da kan mau ba kan yo ba pintu ban ta exam mo. Valid for 72 hours at the time of the examination. Dabu jing kan mau dei ban up handu last date exam la shai na mulai benta te filadu kan mau bhai kata mo dia untuk hable lupa na 72 hours mur hai live ni temut asing shwa bila de ban le no lupa untuk ke exam. Candidate should report 1 hour before commencement of the examination. Candidate kide ban poi shwa shiganta show the exam. Tera rajia kumno ko ban tip jing shai sakan mau one phone unit number headline number do not lie way Dursau Arnyolai. Oke, so tangki ini 5+2 ada 4 sutu don jinge sa komen ngasa reply kat bangala thank you nay khub le chubon